Morning! Today's Animal Kingdom, day 4. Forgot to end the vlog last night. Really tired. My throat's starting to hurt, so that's not great. But I don't even think I've showed you the hotel yet. We're over here gonna go to Amy with your pants on though. Like,
I'm cold, okay?
Amy's always cold. Amy is always cold, so don't be fooled by her. It's not cold here in Florida. But I wanted to show you all of the ears we have. Beautiful, right? Alright, we'll see you at Animal Kingdom. Okay, we finally made it to Animal Kingdom. It's a little humid. We're looking at rain around 12 p.m. on our way to Everest. No, there's monkeys in there.
There's real monkeys?
Yeah. We just met Mickey and Minnie and they were super sweet. That was fun, and we are currently on our way to Everest over here. 5-minute wait on Mount Everest. I should say Expedition Everest. Rock on.
Here we go!
I think I actually got some of it on camera, which is exciting. Did you love it?
I did.
No, I like the in the back better.
Really?
I thought the front was much better.
I like stuff in the back than I did in the front.
I like the back.
I was like, wow.
I like the back for the scenery. I like the front for the less bumpy rides.
Are we done?
Yes, we're done. We are on our way to Safari.
Over there climbing. Look, look, look. Oh, I'm looking. Look, I'm here for oh my gosh. Oh, look, he's showing off for us. Oh, you are so cute. I love
Types of animal, the darker color one being the bongo, also called the ghost of the forest because they are rarely seen. Those big horns have to go through thick tangled underbrush easily, as well as to your right hand side the lighter tan colored animals, such as the greater kudu. They're the second largest antelope in Africa, rhino less in the entire world. Due to the poaching of their tusks. The tusk inside, those are the Ankole cattle. They're actually the only domesticated animal on the reserve.
One's way over there, you see.
Their horns are about 5 to 6 feet long, have a honeycomb texture inside, basically used as a circulation system to cool them down. Should be able to see more giraffes up ahead. African wild dogs are relentless hunters. They will not drop their prey until exhaustion. Actually,
Activities. Also actually clean dirt and mud in their back, basically using it as a sunblock. They also can eat up to 300 pounds of food a day.
She's adorable. Oh my gosh. Look how tiny. Oh my gosh, she's literally so cute. I want one. Little Stella.
seems like he's about to doze off. They're unfortunately poached for their tusks.
They aren't gonna wave back. Alright, currently waiting to go into Tusker House. It's really loud, so I don't know if you can hear me, but it's very humid. It's probably gonna rain at 12. It's 9:22 right now. And I don't know if I've mentioned this, I have a really sore throat, which is not fun. Amy's gonna braid Shannon's hair over here. Again, yes, I think I recorded that yesterday. And we're excited for some food and some character interactions. Forgot to vlog, so that's a problem, I'm sorry. But my food for today, here we are at Tusker House. Pluto's back there. Oh yeah, and this guava juice is on point. Here comes Shannon with her food, walking down the aisleway. We're gonna dig in. Alright, so we're currently waiting on Kali River Rapids, which none of the three of us have ever rode before. Shannon's stoked. I don't know how excited I am about it, but it'll be cool. It's really, really hot right now, so the water will feel nice. I had to put my hair up. It was so hot. I'm sweating bullets, but it's not even hot. I feel like I'm not getting tan, so that stinks.
I think we're gonna burn.
You think? I don't know. We'll see. This line is like moving weirdly. We're riding Everest for a 3rd time today. Shannon's up front. There's Amy and I. Peace and blessings, fam. bye-bye. Also, we just scored a Fast Pass for Pandora last week. Woo!
I'm so excited for Pandora. So psyched.
I even looked at the Yeti. Are you proud of me? But you screamed. I screamed a little. I don't like screamers, but I screamed a little bit.
Training me not to scream.
Here we are to watch Finding Nemo.
Just moved 3 times.
Literally from there to there to here. So just wanted to update you so that you weren't just like, why is Nemo on the screen? You know?
Mary's planning on falling asleep.
Pretty much. I always take a nap during this show. It's a lot of singing. I like Nemo, don't get me wrong, but it's just a lot of singing and a lot for me to handle. So I'm just like,
I was about to fall asleep in progress.
I did fall asleep in the carousel of progress. I might make you guys ride it again, because like I want to
Take a nap?
I'll
take a nap to get to see it.
You're bad.
Just give him a break, 10, 15 minutes. Don't worry, we're gonna travel as a group. Nemo, you're such a special kid.
Hey, Sadie! Hi, Crow.
I gotta get out of here. I gotta find my son. Gotta get to the EAC. Hey, how do I get to the EAC? You have traveled far.
Hi guys, we're currently waiting for the bird show. Say hello. And eating some snacks. We're in the 4th row, but I'm FaceTiming Brent because he got me some keychains, so he's gonna open one up.
Yes, it's my mom.
Are you sure? Okay. We're not gonna see a bird show right now. What? Look at the rain out there, you can't even tell. It is downpouring though. Hardcore.
Hey folks, how you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Tim Muffins here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing? All right, giraffes, here's been a parade. Hey, tumble monkeys, walk me over by the warthog section.
Ready, warthogs, on the count of 3, let's hear.
Walked into Pandora for the first time. Just left the Lion King show. It was good. Amy's been waiting for this the whole trip. Me, I just want one of... Oh, like always. I, on the other hand, I'm just a little excited to drink that cool Instagrammable drink. Oh, wow. Wow. Dang. Oh my. I'm going to show you what we're seeing in about 2 seconds here. Let me get a good view of it. Alright. And there it is, folks. Pandora. Hi.
We're in Pandora. I'm so excited. They never seen the movie. I told them about blue people though. Shannon asked what's about. I said blue people.
Is that a spider? No, they tell you. Oh. Him? What's it her? Oh, her? Alright, so here we are getting in line for Flights of Passage. It says it's a 90-minute wait. We'll see. So an hour and a half. Here we go. The Navi River was cool. I'm sure you'll see some clips of it beforehand. What?
Now that it rained, it's not so hot.
Yeah, it's definitely been interesting here in Pandora Land. It's very beautiful. I can definitely say that. I should probably watch the movie so I understand a little bit more.
What do you call it? The cord that connects the mom and baby?
Oh, like an umbilical cord.
Yes, umbilical.
Alright, we've only been in line for about an hour, unfortunately. I'm losing my voice.
This is crazy.
Shannon's not a fan. I'm not sure how I feel.
It's room after room after room.
It's what?
Room after room after room after room.
Yeah, this is a bit obnoxious of a wait, I must admit.
I think we've been spoiled by Fast Pass.
It's line, 3 days. It's like line after line after line. It's not fun.
Go to rooms. They sneak past.
Goals. Instagram. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Can I get a night watch?
Of course, anything else?
Woo, guys, I got the most Instagrammable drink on the planet right now.
How is it?
I don't know. I have to take a bunch of pictures with it first.
What's that?
Here, can I hold that?
Yeah.
Alright. So first I'm going to take a bunch of pictures with it. And then I'm going to try it for you. Okay, I'm going to try it for the first time.
That face.
It's good. It's sour. What do you think? I love it. It's really good. I'm going to go take a Snapchat and Instagram of it now.
Alright, you want to show off? You ready?
After we do Everest for a 4th time and a 2nd safari, we're going back to Pandora.
I have to pee.
Amy, I'm vlogging. Yes. Favorite part of the day so far?
They're all right.
Which one?
Right.
Favorite part of the day?
I would have to say
Not the bug crawling up my butt.
I did like Flights of Passage. It was good.
Oh yeah, I forgot to talk about how we went on It's Tough to Be a Bug. Amy's never been on it. How'd you like it?
Bugs like.
She didn't like it. Let's just be honest.
Bugs crawled up my butt, stung my bag, and then one farted in my face. No, I didn't like it.
And I wasn't going to vlog this one because it's literally the 4th time we're riding it, but we're stuck on Everest at the top. Literally stuck. This is the 2nd time we've been stuck. Amy, we're stuck. We're stuck. What is life? Are you sure we're stuck, or is it just that they're having like a loading thing?
I don't know. Nope. We're stuck.
We're literally stuck. I'm scared. Safari
For wild
number 2.
animals free to roam
But at
around
nighttime.
where they wish. So let's see if we can find some out here. Now my name's Abe. I'm going to be your guide. A ride path. You all have choices. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Don't you worry. We're going to stop right about here. Hey April, how you doing? Yeah, that's great, right? Land mammal in the entire world. They run about 60 miles per hour. They're a little slower than Tom's giraffe.
They're my favorite.
They stand about 20 feet tall. Oh, you know, it's cold here. You're all looking at trees. Here we go. How's that? It's a little better?
Yes.
So we get about 20 feet tall.
Oh.
Ashley's looking at the water buck. Ashley's looking at my back row. Quit looking so tasty, back row.
I just want to talk about how this is going to be our 5th time, literally 5th time riding Expedition Everest. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck this time. Shannon's very bitter about it.
Why?
About it getting stuck last time?
That's fine.
Anyways, I got and it was a 35-minute wait, but then I went online to my Disney app and got a fast pass literally for like 5 minutes later, but you can always go to your fast pass 5 minutes early, so it worked out perfect, and the 5th time we're riding Everest. Woohoo! Alright, I wanted to end the vlog tonight. I just frantically started searching for the camera charger because I just had to buy a new one because I lost the old one, but I put it in like a really weird pocket in my carry-on bag, and I look weird because I have a towel on my head, but it's like, let's see, it's 1 in the morning and we have to be awake in 6 hours, so I'm gonna hit the hay. We are going to Hollywood Studios tomorrow. I will see you then. Bye.